Welcome to episode 3. In this video, we'll be focusing on the yaw pedals, also known as anti-torque pedals, a crucial component of the aircraft's control system. Before diving in, let's take a quick look at how we got here. Today, we are working with photo etch ports, which require special tools like scissors, sanders, and primers for precise handling and preparation. I'm using Tamiya's photo etch port scissors to carefully cut the pedals from the metal sheet. Once separated, we'll use a Tamiya diamond file to sand down any remaining support material. The key here is to apply very light pressure. Too much force could bend the metal. It's best to use multiple gentle strokes rather than risk warping the delicate parts. Looking at our reference picture, you can see that the real pedals aren't completely flat. They have a slight bend. To replicate this, I press them against a soft cutting mat using the end of a brush, carefully adjusting them to the correct angle. These pedals sit on the cockpit floor and allow the pilot to control the aircraft's nose direction, left or right, helping maintain stability, much like rudder pedals in a fixed-wing aircraft. Now, we prime the curved pedals using Tamiya metal primer, ensuring we coat both sides for proper adhesion of the black primer. For the main primer layer, we're using Mr. Finishing Surfacer 1500 Black thinned with Mr. Color Leveling Thinner. I demonstrate the full process on one pedal, but you'll need to repeat this on all of them. Once the primer is dry, we apply alkyd steel by MO MIG. This paint is very fluid and can spill easily, so I recommend using an eyedropper to load it into the airbrush without waste. It doesn't need thinning, just pour it in and spray. To protect the pre-coloring, I'm using microflat from Riker scale thinned with Tamiya's X28 at a 1:1 ratio. Moving on, just like we did with the cockpit base, we used chipping medium from Vallejo thinned with tap water in a 1:2 ratio. I applied this mixture with a brush to ensure even coverage on the pedals. Once dry, we spray a coat of Tamiya NATO Black, thinned with X28 thinner. After the paint has dried, we carefully moisten the pre-coat pedals with tap water and begin scraping the top layer. Here you can see the difference between a scrape pedal and a fully black one. To attach the pedals to the cockpit, we use Green Stuff Works super glue. I highly recommend using precision glue tips for better control during the application. If you leave the tip open, be sure to find a way to seal it properly. Only a tiny drop is needed to the lower section, and drying time will depend on the glue's temperature. Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on future modeling tips and techniques. In the next episode, we'll tackle painting the buttons and labels on the cockpit side panels. Stay tuned! Also, check out our Instagram and TikTok for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and modeling inspiration.